Aye, it is. Ah? What a fucking shot, mate. Oh, again! Mate, if that was a kill cam. You should have seen that first shot, mate, and then a hit marker on him. That was a fucking nailer. Oh, that would have been a kill cam from hell, mate. If you shot then, mate. We should ask if they want to make a team. Aye, I know! That better. So that's how I need to fix it, mate. Is it? Hello, 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 hello. That better. I got a fat bit of 4-bit lag going on, mate. Whoa. Whoa. Aye.
You ready for my email, Scott?
Wait a minute.
Eh?
No, I'm talking to my dad.
Do you later then? Scotto.
Mm-hmm.
Search and destroy.
Might not need it tonight.
Defend the objective.
Scott, I need that for tonight. Aye, there's some others.
Mate, don't think they're fucking around just to try and get the win off us, because it's not happening. I'll be reporting both maps. This guy's just been shit on if you watch the kill cam. I was going